is going on for the main header of your site, but I've just put that in. A lot of users want to use images. And this is only a basic site we're building just so I can show you how you can do it. So I'm going to add a row, 2 columns. I'm going to have an image in the first column, the second column. Let's leave it here. Now we can add all kinds of style, and maybe get round, circle. I'm going to actually make it rounded and center it. And I'm just going to plop a little bit of space because I want to push that down a bit. 32 looks good. Okay, then we're going to insert the heading. Amazing websites. Left align. I'm just going to leave it as a default so that I can get this moving a bit quicker. I'm going to add some text. And I'm just going to copy this text like so. I'm going to save that. Save the page. Refresh. And there you go. We've got a nice row there with our content. Now I'm going to duplicate this space there and put it above here just to create a little bit more space from the header. Set that to 10. Bam. Okay, now one other cool trick you can do. Before I started this, I created some example posts, and basically it's just the text because we want to have a custom post page, so it's just the blog content in there. But we can actually make a blog show anywhere on a page. So if I put a row, I'm going to duplicate this heading. We can call this latest blog posts, and then we can actually embed posts from our blog inside here. I'm just going to center that. There we go. Now let's insert our blog. Now we can create this however we want, but I'm just going to have it show 3 blog posts. I mean, we can have it come from a certain category. It's entirely up to you. You can choose how many columns. I'm just going to have it 3 columns. I'm going to turn page nation off. And we've got different display types: masonry, fit, rows, list. And you can turn off the featured image, the title, the date. It's entirely up to you. I'm going to save that, save the page, refresh. Latest blogs, bam. Now you'll notice our blog posts are still using Pro Style Evo, as you can see, but we're going to change all that in a minute. So now you can continue building out your page. You can add tabs, accordions, carousels, full width rows, image galleries, portfolios, anything you want. I'm just going to leave it at that. Now one other thing I want to fix quick is this white gap at the bottom. To do that, I'm just going to take the margin out of this on the bottom sidebar, which is what shows our footer. Save page, bam. Okay, so now let's create a quick blog page. What we can do is in Pro Style Evo, we can save page templates. So we can call this custom template. And I'm going to save that. In a new page, I'm going to call this blog. And I'm going to load a template. I'm going to pick our custom one. Now this has already got our header and footer in, so we can keep this pretty basic. I'm going to edit this top sidebar because I don't want a full-blown header anymore, as it's an inner page. Just have a little simple header. Set that to 10, and then we'll just give our blog a heading on the blog. And instead of using an image for the inner pages, I'm just going to use a background color. So solid color. I'm going to go light grey. Save that. Just change the text color on this head. It's red. Save. Okay, so now here's where we can set our blog up. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete this column. I'm going to delete this and this. Now I'm going to leave that spacer there. Now I'm going to drag, because I want the blog to have a sidebar, and I'm going to delete the heading. So now we can edit this blog element. And this time I'm going to have 10 posts on a page, even though I've only got 5 set up. And I'm going to have 1 post, 1 column, which means it'll only show 1 blog post for every row. We've got different display options recently. I'm just going to save that. Then I'm going to insert in here widgetized sidebar. I'll just use the default sidebar. Now if we save that, we'll have a custom blog page. So I'll publish and then view the page. Bam, got a custom blog. Now you can have your blog show however you want. If you don't want a sidebar, just delete that column. Let's say that you want to have it in 2 posts per row. Set it to 2, save. You can turn off featured images. You can just, honestly, you can do whatever you want, as you can see. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to create our post page template so that it matches this, because if we click on the post at the minute, it's using Pro Style Evo. We want it to match our custom design. And to do that, really quickly, we're going to save our blog as a template. Then we're going to add a new page, posts template, and we're just going to load our blog template in that we've just made. Bam. Just going to delete the blog element, and then I'm just going to insert a content placeholder. And this is what displays all your blog posts. I'm going to save that, blank page, publish. Now if we look at it, it's not going to show the posts yet because we've got to set the posts up. So, but to do that, it's quite easy. Pro Style Evo, content settings. And then post template, I'm just going to select post template. Save changes. Now if we click through from a post from our blog, bam, got our post. All in. So as you can see, in like 15 minutes I've just created a completely custom page, and it's also completely responsive. Now I'm logged in there as admin, that's why it's covering the logo. But a custom theme, 15 minutes, that is completely responsive. I mean, that's just absolutely insane. I mean, let's see if I can get some other templates up here. There you go, homepage, again, completely responsive. Get some more. On the blog, it's just, there you go, 15 minutes and we've got a completely custom theme. I mean, and that's just a basic one. Some of the templates I've built with Pro Style are just absolutely insane, especially when you start adding sliders and videos, and you're only limited by your own imagination. You see a template you like anywhere on the internet, build it with Pro Styler. Because now you don't even need to use our default styling with Evo. You can go out and make your own full-blown custom theme. And you can add so much more. You can do custom 404 pages. You can do your archive and search pages so they match when people do a search. Pro Styler Evo is incredible. And with our in-house Pro Styler builder, it just allows you to build anything you can possibly imagine. So take action, grab Pro Styler Theme Evo today while it's at a ridiculously low price.